Hello students, as we have been discussing about the letters of inquiry and as you know that for various purposes we inquire about, like to go on a trip, to seek information regarding any program, any function or any course, or there are various reasons for which we write down the letter of inquiry. And now let's look at the example. This is one of the letter of inquiry. So let's read out the statement. You are Ramesh Anaya, Mumbai. You want to go to Goa during your Christmas holidays. Write a letter to the manager, Shri Tours and Travels, Mumbai, in 100 to 120 words, seeking information about hotel accommodation, holiday package, places of tourist interest, guided tours, etc. So as we have already talked about the format, and we know that it is of 8 marks. Any of the formal letter will be of 8 marks. And if we talk about the marking scheme of the letter writing, then the format will be of 1 marks. Format which will be of 1 mark, and then the body of the letter will be of 3 marks, and then 4 marks will be for your fluency, cohesion, your ideas, expressions, accuracy. So overall your expressions will be of 4 marks. So format will be of 1 mark, and body of the letter will be of 3 marks, and rest of 4 marks will be of expressions, the fluency of your ideas, expressions, accuracy, and sequence of ideas. So now let's see how to write down the letter of inquiry. Let's read out the statement one more time. You are Ramesh Anaya, Mumbai. You want to go to Goa during your Christmas holidays. Write a letter to the manager, Shri Tours and Travels, Mumbai, in 100 to 120 words, seeking information about hotel accommodation, holiday package, places of tourist interest, guided tours, etc. So as you know that first would be the sender's address, and here who will be the sender? Ramesh or Anaya from Mumbai. So the address will be of Mumbai. And what is the purpose? What is inquiry to be made here? Like you want to go to Goa during your Christmas holidays. So you want to inquire about the package of the trip. And so the receiver would be, you have to write on the letter to the manager. So the receiver would be the manager of Shri Tours and Travels, Mumbai. So the receiver would be Shri Tours and Travels, the manager. So you have to write down the letter seeking information about the trip package, about the tour package. It will include accommodation, holiday package, what are the places, each and everything. So here let's have a quick look on the format. As we know that the first would be the sender's address, and it will consist sender's name and address, then 1 line space date, then again 1 line space the receiver's address, and then 1 line space salutation, subject, body of the letter, then the closing of the letter, and sender's name and signature. So here first you write down the address of the sender, like street number, road, then Mumbai, and then after that there would be the date, like you write down the date of today or any other date in which you want to write down the letter, then 1 line space, and then would be the receiver's address, the manager, Shri Tours and Travels, Mumbai, and after that would be the subject, inquiry regarding trip to Goa, 1 line space salutation, sir or ma'am. Simply we write on sir or ma'am. So here what would be the body of the letter? That in the first passage, in the first paragraph, it would be, I'm planning a week-long trip to Goa along with my friends in the last week of December. I'm planning a week-long trip to Goa along with my friends in the last week of December, or you can write down the date according to your own convenience. I suppose you're going to write down the letter today, then obviously it will pertain the same date. I heard from my friends, or you can even give the reference of any other person, like friends, advertisement in the newspaper, or any other person or a organization. I heard from my friends that your company offers good and economic tour packages. I request you to provide the following details about Goa trip. So this would be the first passage, and then the next one it would be, and the next would be the second passage that would contain the inquiry points that you want to ask for, like hotel accommodation and type and location of the hotel, tour packages, good and economic package, places of tourist interest, what are the best places that are good from the point of view of a tour, guided tour and its charges, transportation charges, other activities, current discount offers, and any other information related to the trip. So I'm just going to repeat it one more time. Let hotel accommodation, type and location of the hotel, type of room, tour package, good and economic one, places of tourist interest, guided tour and its accommodation, its charges, transportation charges, other activities, current discount offers, any other information related to trip. As you want to ask about the other things like food and meal provided, breakfast included or not, then so these points you can include in your letter. So then the next would be the concluding. In the first paragraph it would be, I'm planning a week-long trip to Goa along with my friends in the last week of December. I heard from my friends that your company offers good and economic tour packages. I request you to provide the following information about Goa trip. In the second paragraph, hotel accommodation, tour packages, places of tourist interest, guided tour and its charges, transportation charges, other activities, current discount offers, and any other information related to the topic. And one thing that you have to keep in mind, that while proceeding from first passage to another, you have to leave a line so that it clearly stating that you are just shifting from one passage to the other. So it would be better and recommended that leave a line, one line gap from first passage to the another passage. So in the concluding paragraph you can write down, kindly provide the above mentioned information as early as possible, or kindly furnish me with the following details as early as possible, or I would really thankful to you if you provide me the above mentioned information at the earliest, and I request you to send me the brochure on my address, and at the end you can attach self-attested self-address envelope. So in this manner you can write down the letter of inquiry, and in the subscription at the ending, in the complimentary clause, you have to mention like thanking you, yours faithfully, your signature and name. Like in the beginning of the letter, the letter statement the name was given Anaya or Ramesh. So in this manner you can write down the letter of inquiry, and believe me dear students, the letter of inquiry is quite easy and is of great interest to write down, and I hope that within a short span of time you would have a mastery of writing down the letters. So hopefully you will watch this video carefully, and still if you have any query related to any of the letters that we have covered so far, the first one is letter to editor and the second this one, so ask me anytime, feel free, don't hesitate, and I'm just giving you one or two exercises of the letter of inquiry so that you can have practice at your homes, and hopefully you will complete all this work in your notebooks also. So till the time, stay happy, stay safe. Thank you.